My name is Tsavo. I am a Afro-Indigenous artist born and raised in Miwok in Nisenan land. And yeah, I make hip hop music, lo-fi music. I drum, I rap. I do a lot of things, but I would consider myself a griot, an artist, and an educator as well. I've performed at the Rust Room. We had a huge sold out show with Philharmonic and Paul Willis there. It was really great. Um, one of the places I would play a lot with metal bands was the Boardwalk out in Orangevale. They would always book us, and it was just yeah, like core memories there. Anyone who's like a metalhead, you know about the Boardwalk. There's an old Cherokee story about the two wolves that live inside us. One wolf is our joy, our love, our peace, our happiness, and the other wolf has more to do with the destructive energies as opposed to the creative energies. Rage, depression. As an artist, like you really have to lean into community. Like, don't let them gatekeep you from your fans and from the people who appreciate your work, and the people that you want to impact. There are people in the community that are willing to, bet on you, take a chance on you, build relationship with you if you actually just, put yourself out there and think more unconventionally. So people don't usually think of an art gallery as being a space to throw hip hop shows, for example, right? But it was the perfect space to do exactly that. And also now, I produce my own music as the Duma project. Really, Duma is like an alter ego, um, and Duma is Swahili for cheetah. And so, not only was like a cheetah my favorite animal, but the fastest animal on the planet. And I just feel like when I picked up production, like I was just so fast at like it just felt like I've been waiting to do this my whole life. Sweet tooth tastes like. Yeah, this shit. Yep. Oh my bad. Can you hit the record button? You like that, I like that too. You like that, I like that too. You like that.